Here are three things you must do if you want to succeed in any online business. One, you must be focused. Two, you must be determined. And lastly, you must execute. Let me explain. If you are into any online business or even physical business and you lack focus, you lack clarity, eventually you'll be distracted and you will stop doing that. You can also lose focus because you are so occupied with a lot of things and you cannot be focused, right, on that one single thing that you want to achieve success in. Now, what about being determined? Being determined in any field of your endeavor, in anything you do in life, can never be underestimated. Why? Because the more determined you are, the more resolute you are, the more convinced you are on that stuff, the more you keep pushing, even when you have some bad days, that's what will make you to succeed. A lot of people started somewhere, okay? They started up with something new. They try, but over the years or months or days, when they start to have times of discouragement, feelings of doubts, and even naysayers say, "Oh boy, you can't succeed. Leave these things. I have tried it. It didn't work. 90% of people have tried it. It didn't work. Why do you think it will work? It will work for you guys. Be positive. Be positive. Don't listen to any naysayer at all. Don't listen to them. Don't listen to them. Get to the end. Get to the end. Get to the end first, and you will know whether it will succeed or not, right? If I've listened to people in the past, I would have left so many things I'm doing, which have actually, helped me in life. You understand? So don't listen to naysayer. All right. And the last one is execute, execute, and execute. See, it doesn't matter what you are doing. It doesn't matter what you have learned. It doesn't matter what you're learning right now. If you are not going to execute, just leave it. Just stop it. All right. If you're not going to practice, you are not going to know whether you will succeed or not. And if you don't practice, you will fail, right? You will fail even before you practice. So the right mentality is, this thing I'm doing, can I start doing it? Can I start telling people about it? Start practicing from day one. From day one. For example, if you're learning how to sew, I'm just using that as an example. Maybe you want to be a fashion designer, learn how to sew, and you don't have machine at home. You will struggle. In that way, if you're an upcoming graphic designer, you're learning how to design stuff, right? Templates, videos, images, and you are not practicing. Like maybe after your boss taught you, like you're done with the courses, and you don't go back to practice on your own. How will you know that you can even be better? How will you know that you can be successful on that field? So the best thing you can do for yourself, bro, today, as you're listening to me, is practice, 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 execute, and leave the rest for God. Okay? If you execute, I will assure you that 90% of the time you will pass on that stuff. You'll be successful. But if you don't execute, you will lose interest, and over time you will start looking for another job, for another skill. You'll be moving from one skill to the other, and that's just how you remain average. I know you don't want to be average, so go and execute, bro. Execute today. So listen, I will repeat those steps now. If you want to succeed in life, in whatever field you're doing, whether you're online business or physical business, you must be focused. Two, you must be determined. You must be ready to fight. Fight on to the end. Fight the naysayers, all right? Fight your doubt. Fight your discouragement. Fight everything that want to stop you. And lastly, you must be ready to practice. You must execute. Execution is the key to success.